Jack. Is your head stuck in that bag? Jack. Are you stuck in that bag, Jack? Jack. Jack. Get out of the bag. Your nose is down there. Scott, you have got to see this. What your dog is doing. Hurry up. Hurry. Hurry. Come up here. You have to see what your dog has done. He is trapped in a plastic bag.
Get him out of there because he's got bad stuff in it.
His nose is at that end, and his head is at that end.
Hold on. Get.